Hello everyone. Okay, so today I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about financial freedom motivation. Okay, so first of all, my name is Scarlett. Make sure to subscribe because I'm going to give you guys a lot of juicy details on digital marketing and how you guys can benefit from this. I live on a farm. I do rainbow and KFC while my husband does, but I have two beautiful kids, and my goal is to help as many families as I possibly can to reach those goals and dreams that they have. That's why I started digital marketing, is to give my family that financial freedom, and that we are able to have passive income and be able to do the things that we love. And that's what I want for you as well, my friend. So why financial freedom motivation is because everybody in this world deserves it. I mean, if I'm talking to the right person here, you know what it feels like to live to paycheck, and only when by the start of the new month, your salaries are already finished. That sucks. I know how hard that is. But my friend, I have the solution for you. I earn in dollars every single day, and I make passive income. So which means is once you purchase one of these 4 programs, you get a set of trainings that can get you to passive income and show you exactly what to do and what not to do, and how you can become successful with this online business, my friends. It's beginner friendly. You don't even need tech. You don't even have to have tech skills, my friends, because everything is done for you. When you start this program, you don't even have to start from scratch. It's done for you, and you get an automated system that runs in the background while you're doing the things that you love, only by following a 2-hour workday, my friends. That is absolutely amazing. And you can choose the social media platform that you most comfortable with, because your customer base is global, because this is an international business, and our community is over 40,000 members at the moment. So it's absolutely amazing, and I want this for you, my friends. Everybody, you deserve financial freedom, my friends, and it's possible for you, because if I'm going to put my link in my description, and I'm going to show you how this is possible for you. Just go click on my link, scarlettdailypay.com, and you can see for yourself how you can achieve your goals and dreams just by following a 2-hour workday, my friends. You get to passive income and start living the life you deserve, because you deserve it. Believe in your dreams and believe in yourself. Have a beautiful day, and please don't hesitate to ask me anything in the comments. I would absolutely love to help you and guide you through this process and give you all the answers that you want. And please make sure to subscribe if you're not already. Have a beautiful day, my friends.